All right, so I'm about to mount up some new tires. My Nittos ran out of life here, and so I figured I would try and answer the question, which of these Lightning wheels is actually lighter? We got 01, 02 style and 03, 04 style. These are both factory 18s and they have no wheel weights on them. I took all the wheel weights off, so we've got no way to make this any different. The other thing too is there is a 99 2000 wheel. I posted on one of the groups to get a number on those, but we might just not get it. If I do, I'll post it. But anyway, let's get to weighing one of these. All right, so you can see my highly scientific scale setup here. It's just a bathroom scale, and I'll just use this bucket to set it on so we can still see the number. I'm reading 0 pounds. It might not be super accurate, but close enough. So we'll start with the first one here, 01, 02. This is probably my favorite looking wheel. All right, it's on there, and we're looking at 34.4 pounds. All right, now we'll grab the 0304 wheel. Oh, 31 pounds. So looks like the newer wheel is just a shade lighter. Kind of not surprising. They typically get better as they go. So anyway, I hope this answers a question for you, and thanks for watching.